Alright, so it's been 5 years since we started posting here on YouTube, and the first video that we posted was actually rescreening my back porch, which is where we are right now.
Right here.
So we thought it'd be fun to watch our first video. We haven't...
Fun. I'm not sure it's going to be fun. We'll see.
We haven't watched it in a really long time, so...
I don't know that I ever watched it all the way through.
Oh, well, I have, because I edited it.
That's true, yeah. Well, yeah, I guess initially I watched it all the way through, but I don't think in the 5 years that we've had it posted that I've done that.
Well, let's do it.
It's always hard to watch yourself, so we'll see what happens.
So we're going to find it here on YouTube. Here it is, how to rescreen a porch. It's only 1 minute and 56 seconds.
Wow, it's short.
So
I had no idea it was that short.
That was our goal. We wanted to make it short.
It's really short. Oh my goodness. Gee.
There it is. There's my porch. Oh my gosh.
Awkward.
First we head to the hardware store.
We went to Home Depot
The hardware store.
Yes, so we said hardware store.
We never called it. We'll call it a hardware or the big box store.
Yeah,
Mom
said. I remember you thought this big box store was like a thing. I was like, I've never heard that before.
People use it. They still use it. Big box.
So we wanted to be very like nondescript.
Yes.
But it's obviously we're at Home Depot.
Yes.
And let's see.
Look how good the bench looks.
Oh yeah.
Here are some other supplies we will use.
Mom is very natural. That's what I'm noticing here. Here are other supplies we will use.
That is so funny.
Do you remember where we recorded the audio?
Where did we record the audio?
Well, first, how did we record the video?
We did it on an iPhone.
All of it was on my iPhone?
All of it was on an iPhone, yes. And I remember the exact moment when we decided to do that.
Yeah.
It was actually on this side right here. We were up at the top. Steph was getting ready to cut, and I pulled out the iPhone and I started filming. And then
the rest is history.
The rest is history, yes. Exactly.
We start by taking out the old spline and screen.
Good shot, close up.
Well, you're doing it.
No, I was pulling the screen down.
Oh, okay.
The Home Depot. We couldn't hide our love of Home Depot.
Look at your ponytail. You're rocking that.
I had longer hair.
We feed this
love the spline mouse.
That is
we still have the same one.
An amazing tool.
It works amazing. They actually make a new model though that's made a little bit better.
Right here.
Yeah, that was the first clip.
This is the moment right here. That's the first clip. Oh my goodness, that's my borrowed Trading Spaces shirt.
Okay, so the shirt Mom's wearing, I don't know why. So I was always wearing purple because I love purple. So that never. But then Mom must have been in some shirt that maybe had labeling on it.
Oh, probably had a logo.
Yeah, and so I was like, Mom, you gotta put something else on. So we went to my closet and we couldn't find anything for her. So what she's wearing is actually an old Trading Spaces smock that we had bought. From a shirt, yeah. And
actually, I had trimmed it. I had hemmed it, and you can see it doesn't really fit.
Yeah,
she's a little more fluffy than.
Wasn't as attractive as maybe.
Well, it's still attractive. It was a little fluffy.
It was fluffy looking.
Fluffier than.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah.
Look how good it looks.
Yeah.
And we always
love that we did that from the very
beginning. So what we learned.
One of the things people always say about our videos is they love the what we learned section, and that was, as you can see, that was been in place since our very first video. We thought the whole idea behind it was let's get to the project so people can see how the project's done, and then at the end we'll tell a little bit more information so people can see the project, and then if they want to learn more in depth then they can learn that. So let's see what we talked about. I don't actually remember.
First roll of screen that we bought had a flaw throughout the entire roll.
Oh yeah.
Check your screen for imperfections before you hang it. It was an easy swap at the hardware store.
Hardware store.
The screen door may have a different size spline.
Why'd you laugh?
Because it's so unnatural. Yeah, it was very unnatural for a very long time.
Yeah, well, because we scripted it too much.
We did script it. We actually wrote it out.
Yeah, we wrote everything out, and then we tried to like follow it exactly, and it sounded like we were following it exactly.
Yes.
Hardware store with you. My original spline was flat, but I found the round spline worked in my track. Buy different packs of spline if you're not sure what will work, and return what you don't use. Take care of minor repairs and clean as you go. This will really make your porch pop once you're finished.
Oh, look how nice it looks.
Yeah.
Different types of screen. Some are good for pets, some are good for insects, some are good for general purpose.
We're so informative.
We are.
I love it.
And one more thing.
Oh.
You don't have to be an expert. Just give it a try. Go out there and
Oh my gosh. I'm so glad we don't do that anymore. So we did this like, Mom thought this was
really cheesy ending.
Mom thought it would be a really good cheesy ending to do.
Yes.
And
we didn't do it
that
very
was
long.
it. Oh my gosh, it was so fast.
Wow.
But so informative. I feel like that was pretty good.
That was pretty good. Even we're a lot better at our delivery.
I think we've gotten better.
Yes.
You know what would be interesting is to look at the comments from that video.
Okay.
I
Do
wonder.
we really want to?
Well, we'll if they're mean.
Well,
we'll,
that's got over 100,000 views. That's
I know.
Ooh, there's a lot of comments. Oh,
Great job.
quick to the point. And I liked the What We Learned segment. Keep it up. That was actually 3 years ago.
That was 3 years ago. We are keeping it up.
Super informative, quick, and gave me confidence going to the hardware store.
Hardware store.
Also, you ladies had me smiling from ear to ear. Subscribe.
Aww.
That was, how long ago? That was 2 years ago. No,
that was 5 months ago. Nice job, Lee. Yeah. Let's see if is there anything there's definitely negative stuff. Let's see.
Oh, here. This is nice. This is a great learning video. I did not know about Spline Mouse.
Spline Mouse, yes, that's our favorite.
Yeah, so that was a year ago.
Is there? I know there's things where people are like, "This will never hold up." We got to find those comments.
Straightforward. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I love that people are. They actually got what we were trying to do. Straightforward, to the point. Just do it. Not a lot of fluff.
Yeah. Oh, this one. OMG, thanks so much. Repairman had been hired up.
I've been tied up.
Had tied up since Hurricane Irma, and I've been freaking out because my indoor cats can't sit on the porch because Irma tore out the screen. My daughter's son and I were able to replace the screen after watching your video.
Oh,
Great video for
nice.
single moms. That's awesome.
It's interesting that the only problem we've had with this screen was after, was it Irma? Or was
no,
it
was
actually
one of them.
Tore out part of this screen,
Yeah.
but we were able to just put it back.
Yeah,
so
we didn't even have to replace the whole screen.
And we actually haven't gotten any holes or anything either, which has been nice.
Yeah. Someone says,
awesome video in 2 minutes.
Yeah. I had commented last week that I was trying to talk my sister into rescreening a portion of our porch. Well, I'm happy to report she agreed after watching your videos about 5 times.
Took her all of 10 minutes.
Wow. With a little help from my brother, he had all the tools. We were able to do it. The cost $48, estimated from businesses, went from $200 to $385.
Wow.
Thank you both so much. That's awesome. Somebody did say round spline is not designed for porch screens. It will not catch grooves and fall off in a short
about a short amount of time.
And it says flat spline is the only one for the job.
Well we didn't have that option, so we used what we had, and it's holding.
I will say we did use flat spline. We recently cleaned this, and we had a couple places where we had to just put the spline back in. Not all of it had fallen off, just a couple areas.
Well, it's actually because we pushed on it.
Yeah,
that's why it wasn't because of use. It was just because oops, that was a little too hard.
Yeah. So it's held up for us, whether it was the right tool, right thing for the job or not. It's held up.
Yes. So for the most part, they're good.
Yeah.
Good comments. That's nice.
Yeah. So that was cool.
I think it's still good information.
Yeah.
Still holds up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was okay. It was okay. It wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it would be.
Yes,
I have to watch
that was
yourself.
fun. I'm glad we got to watch that.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.